In a city known for its fusion of modernity and tradition, Miss Universe Singapore 2024 was a dazzling celebration of beauty, diversity, and empowerment. Held on 22nd September 2024 at the luxurious Umber Lounge in the Fullerton Bay Hotel, the event brought together some of the country's most inspiring women, each vying for the coveted crown. The finals were a breathtaking spectacle, with the Singapore Grand Prix roaring nearby, adding an extra layer of excitement to the evening. But beyond the glitz and glamour, the event carried a deeper message of inclusivity, courage, and resilience. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the glitz and drama of Miss Universe Singapore 2024, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more exciting stories from the world of pageantry and beyond. Share your thoughts in the comments as we are. Make sure to spread the word by sharing this video. Stay tuned for more. This year's pageant, however, was unlike any before. Miss Universe Singapore 2024 made history by opening its doors to married, divorced, transgender, and even older women, a bold step toward redefining the meaning of beauty. With 15 finalists, each sharing their own compelling stories, the pageant wasn't just about looks, it was a testament to the strength and diversity of modern Singaporean women. At the heart of this year's competition were two remarkable figures who stole the show: Charlotte Kia, the 26-year-old public relations executive who won the crown, and Katrisha Zaria, the first transgender finalist in the history of Miss Universe Singapore. Both women captivated the audience with their grace, confidence, and courage, but their journeys to the stage were marked by challenges and personal triumphs that resonated deeply with the spectators. Let's dive into the unforgettable night that saw Charlotte Kia crowned Miss Universe Singapore 2024, the heartwarming tales of the top finalists, and the groundbreaking representation of Katrisha Zaria, who made history as the first transgender finalist to place in the top 5. Charlotte Kia, a 26-year-old PR executive, may have entered the competition with nerves, but she left it with a crown, a sash, and the title of Miss Universe Singapore 2024. Standing at 175 centimeters, with a stunning figure that won her the Miss Body Beautiful title earlier in the evening, Charlotte's poise and eloquence set her apart from the other finalists. However, what truly captured the audience's hearts was not just her beauty, but her deep commitment to advocacy for elderly care and welfare, a cause inspired by her beloved grandmother. Clad in a radiant flaming red bodycon gown, Charlotte delivered an emotional speech after her victory, dedicating her win to her 97-year-old grandmother, who had been her inspiration throughout her journey. "This win is hers," Charlotte tearfully shared, revealing how her grandmother's influence shaped her into the woman she is today. Though her grandmother couldn't attend the event due to illness, Charlotte's mother, dressed in a spark, the moment Charlotte's name was announced as the winner, she was overcome with shock and emotion. "Honestly, I'm still in disbelief. I thought I heard my name wrong," she admitted, recounting how her mother's ecstatic reaction helped her realize that she had indeed won. Her mother's uncontainable joy, jumping and cheering like a disco ball, as Charlotte humorously described, became one of the most heartwarming moments of the night. This victory was not just a personal achievement for Charlotte but also a milestone for her advocacy work. Throughout the competition, she spoke passionately about her mission to raise awareness for elderly care in Singapore, particularly focusing on how younger generations can better support the aging population. "This isn't just a crown or a title," Charlotte emphasized, "it's a responsibility. I'm going to use this platform to make a real impact." Miss Universe Singapore 2024 made headlines long before the finals with its bold move to expand eligibility criteria. For the first time in its 70-year history, the pageant was open to married women, divorced women, and women with children, in addition to allowing transgender contestants. The competition saw a record number of applicants from a wide range of backgrounds, with the oldest auditionee being 65 years old. This change marked a significant shift in the pageant's mission to celebrate beauty in all its forms, embracing inclusivity as never before. Among the 15 finalists, Katrisha Zeria stood out as a trailblazer. As the first transgender woman to compete in Miss Universe Singapore, Katrisha's participation was a historic moment for the pageant and the country. At 33 years old, she had already made a name for herself in other transgender pageants, but this was her first time competing in a women's beauty pageant. Her presence on the Miss Universe Singapore stage was a powerful statement about the importance of representation and breaking down barriers. When the top 5 finalists were announced, the audience erupted in cheers as Katrisha's name was called. Her supporters, many of whom were from the queer community, waved lead signs and cheered loudly, their enthusiasm filling the room. For Katrisha, making it to the top 5 was a victory in itself. "I may not have won the crown, but I've won my people's hearts," she said, her voice full of pride and gratitude. "To stand here as a transgender woman and represent my community in a women's pageant is an incredible achievement." Katrisha's journey to the top 5 was made even more poignant by a personal revelation. Earlier in the evening, she shared that she had recently separated from her husband of 7 years. "It was a mutual decision," she explained. "We didn't want to put on a facade, pretending everything was perfect. It's time for us to go our own ways." Despite her goals and her advocacy for transgender representation in mainstream media. While Charlotte Kia took home the crown, the other top finalists also left a lasting impression with their stories of perseverance and courage. The Miss Universe Singapore 2024 finals weren't just a beauty pageant, they were a celebration of empowerment and diversity. The night saw stories of personal growth, representation, and resilience, with each finalist contributing to the larger narrative of what it means to be a modern Singaporean woman. With Charlotte Kia set to represent Singapore at the Miss Universe 2024 competition in Mexico City on 16 November, and Katrisha Zeria continuing her advocacy for transgender visibility, the impact of this year's pageant will be felt far beyond the Amber launch. Miss Universe Singapore 2024 will be remembered not just for the glitz and glamour, but for the powerful stories of the women who took the stage. From Charlotte Kia's heartfelt tribute to her grandmother to Katrisha Zeria's groundbreaking representation of the transgender community, the event marked a turning point in the pageant's history. As Charlotte prepares to take on the world stage, her victory serves as a reminder that beauty is not just about appearance, it's about courage, compassion, and the ability to inspire others. And for Katrisha, her top 5 finish is a victory for inclusivity and representation, showing that beauty comes in many forms. As the final cheers of the evening faded and the spotlights dimmed, one thing was clear: Miss Universe Singapore 2024 wasn't just about crowns and gowns, it was about empowering women to be their most authentic selves.